Welcome back to CarXNL. Today we're looking at one of the most iconic SUVs on the road, the Mercedes G63 AMG. So let's dive into this beast. Starting off at the front, just look at this beastly design. The iconic Panamericana grille with the massive Mercedes badge in the center instantly shows this is no ordinary SUV. And these LED headlights, they give that G63 that unmistakable stare. Here you can see the massive 22-inch AMG tires paired with the AMG rims. They really add that powerful stance. A small AMG badge with the V8 by Turbo logo right beneath it, giving away some serious power this car has. For a guy like me, and I'm not the tallest person in the room, these insanely massive side steps are actually a lifesaver. Without them I really have to climb into the car. And these big two-way exhausts make a great sound. Of course the other side has them as well, adding to that powerful look and sound. And now if we come to the back of the car, you can really see how square and muscular this car is, giving that aggressive look. Also, once again, we've got the AMG badge here at the back, alongside the G63 badge. And of course the spare tire mounted on the rear, adding to that tough off-road ready appearance. And here you can see the trunk of the car. It's fun but not always the most practical. The way the trunk opens can be tricky in tight spaces. However, once it opens you've got a lot of room for storage. The trunk is like the rest of the car, quite spacious. What do you guys think of the G63 in this color white? Do you like it? Or would you prefer a different color? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. You can also see the massive windows, all paired with darkened glass for that extra sleek look and privacy. Alright, enough about the exterior, let's dive into the interior of this AMG and see what it's like inside. Okay, first off let's talk about the steering wheel. It's okay, but I'm not the biggest fan of the material on top. It tends to get scratches quickly and you can definitely see those marks after a bit of use. On the other hand, I'm a big fan of the doors in this car. The sound when you close them is just amazing. It's like the sound of a vault door closing. You can see that it has the electric seats, along with the options for both heated and cooled seats, giving you that extra comfort no matter the weather. Also the other side has them as well, so both the driver and passenger can enjoy the same level of comfort. And if you're going off-road, the passenger can always grab this handle here for extra support. And now if we take a look at the seats in this car, they're really comfortable. The leather is thick and feels premium, giving you a nice supportive seat. Plus you've got this little AMG badge for some extra detail. Alright, let's start this car up and take a closer look at some of the functions this beast has to offer. You can immediately hear the signature exhaust sound as you start it up. Let's take a look at the middle console. Here you got some buttons for the air conditioning, navigation, and don't miss this beautiful IWC analog clock, a classy touch to the interior. With the control pad in the middle of the car, you can control the right screen and choose your music, navigation and more. You can also adjust both the right and left screen using small black buttons on the steering wheel. Let's take a look at the cameras in this car, which are a huge help when parking such a big SUV. The camera provides a clear view of your surroundings, making it easier to maneuver and park the G63, especially in tight spaces. You also get Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus in this car, and you will hear the difference when you switch. You also get a big cabin space in this car. Honestly, it feels like the whole car is huge. You've got two cup holders here for your drinks and of course plenty of extra storage space on the cabin on the right for all your little essentials. It's still daylight, but you can already spot some of the ambient lighting in here. I think a night drive POV in this car would be amazing. These huge windows provide an amazing view, making the driving experience feel even more immersive. Also, it's a great family car. It comfortably fits 5 people and you still have plenty of space in the trunk, perfect for a dog or any luggage you need to carry. Alright, enough about this interior, let's hit the road and see how this big AMG performs. Let's start this car up and see how it feels. The sound in this car is a huge plus. Even in comfort mode you can already hear it rumbling. It's got that classic AMG roar that really brings the driving experience to life. Quick question for you all. Would you like to drive a SUV like this or do you prefer smaller, lower cars? Let me know in the comments. I respond to every comment, so I'm curious to hear what you guys think. The large windows in this car are a massive help when taking corners. In a big SUV like this, having that wide view really adds to the convenience when maneuvering. The front windshield is set so upright, which gives a great overview of the road ahead. It's almost like having a panoramic view of everything in front of the car, which can be really helpful in a vehicle this size. Did you also see that guy checking out the car just a moment ago? That's the one thing about the G63, its size and brutal design demand attention everywhere you go. Combine that with the unmistakable sound and presence and you can't go anywhere unnoticed. People are always looking to see who's driving this beast. I can practically look right into the truck driver's cabin. This thing sits so upright, it's like being in a tower on wheels. And the sound in this car is literally amazing. Like I mentioned earlier, even in comfort mode, the sound in this car is no joke. And when it comes down to choosing between the AMG G63 or a standard G-Class, for me it's an easy choice. The AMG version just has that incredible sound and the whole performance package that makes it a total experience. Sure, there is some downsides like the size, making parking a challenge, but hey, if you are going to have a big car that's tricky to park, better to go all out with the AMG features and sound than settle for less. Quick Sport Plus run. This is crazy. Considering a car like this is basically a small elephant on wheels, it's incredible how it can move. With 586 horsepower, it rockets from 0 to 100 in just 4.5 seconds. That's insane power for such a massive SUV. And coming back to the point I mentioned earlier about choosing between a regular G-Class or this AMG version, of course it all depends on your budget. This AMG version with all its insane performance and features comes with a hefty price tag. Brand new, it's priced around 270,000 euros. So if you got the money to spend, this one is definitely worth considering. Alright, before we hit the highway, we've got a passenger joining us today, my girlfriend. Let's pick her up and get going. Alright, let's hit the highway and see what the beast can really do. This tank of a car really has some serious power. You won't believe it unless you experience it for yourself. And speaking of that, I have some good news. You can actually experience this car for yourself. It's available for rental by Buena Vida, located in Maasluis, Netherlands. They've got an amazing collection of cars and this is just one of them. I'm hoping to bring you more reviews of their cars in the near future, so stay tuned. I also have the feeling this is a really safe car. Being such a big SUV sitting high above other cars really gives you a sense of security. You feel like you're in control and protected, and I think that's just a big plus when you're driving something of this size. And for the price of 270,000 euros, you get not only a fun big car that can drive incredibly fast, but also something that's surprisingly comfortable even when driving in a busy city like Rotterdam. And when I look to my right and see the smile on my girlfriend's face, that's a pretty big plus too. It's a car that combines power, luxury and enjoyment for both the driver and the passenger, making it worth every penny. I think we all know there's an electric version of this G-Class and I'm really curious to test that out too, but for now I'm all about sticking with this iconic AMG sound. There's just something about this V8 engine that makes this car so special. I'm not sure if I've already mentioned it, but the G63 AMG is definitely capable of going off-road. Whether it's driving through the mud or tackling pretty much any terrain, this SUV can handle it all. Of course, whether or not you want to take such an expensive car off-roading is completely up to you, but knowing that it has that off-road capability adds a whole new level of versatility to this AMG. For me personally, if it was my car, just knowing it can handle all of that off-roading is enough. The G63 AMG is incredibly stable, even at higher speeds. Despite its size and weight, it handles like a much smaller car. The steering is precise and the suspension keeps the car planted on the road. I also filmed some flybys and a quick 0 to 100 run, so you can really see and hear what this G63 AMG is capable of. I hope you guys enjoy these shots. Alright guys, that wraps up the review of the G63 AMG. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think of this G-Wagon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.